What is up, guys, and welcome to the South Coast. Today's video, we're tagging along on our 100-hour mower maintenance videos. We're going to go ahead and pull the blades off the bad boy Maverick and get them sharpened. Y'all stay tuned. Hey, go hit that thumbs up. It helps the channel out, and I greatly appreciate it. Click that subscribe button if you haven't already, and check the description for product links that also help support the channel. Thanks, guys. Alright, guys, so just a quick look at what I use to sharpen these blades. This is actually an old, pretty worn out sanding disc, flap disc for a 4.5-inch angle grinder. I love these DeWalt 4.5-inch angle grinders, the ones with the metal gearbox there. And this is actually a flap disc that was designed for aluminum use, I believe, but I don't know if you can read that. It's an 80 grit. 4.5-inch flap disc. Like I said, this one's pretty worn out. I try to use my older ones for doing the lawnmower blades so they don't get as hot, so the metal doesn't get as hot. And whenever I'm actually doing the sharpening on the blades, I keep it moving pretty quick, as you can see in the video, and then I come back and touch it with my fingers. If it's getting too hot to basically immediately touch with your fingers, or hot enough to where you can't touch it with your fingers immediately after, you're getting the metal too hot, and you're starting to get into that danger zone of ruining the heat treatment, ruining the temper on those blades, to where they're not going to be as tough and durable as before. So try to just keep moving quickly, try not to stay in one spot too long, try not to overheat that cutting edge of your blades. So let's get back to it. All right, guys, well, that is going to do it for today. We got those blades pulled off and sharpened. I tried a little trick that I saw online to try to get them a little balanced. Just put a little nail in a post and hung them up there, tried to see how well they were balancing. Obviously, it's really not the best system out there. They make some pretty intricate blade balancing setups with magnets and bearings and all that, but I just wanted to try out that nail in the wall, see if it helped at all. It gave me a basic idea that they were close to balance, but not super precise, not super accurate. So I may look at different options for that. I know Oregon makes a sort of cone that you put your blade on top of, and it sort of balances itself out. And then there's, like I said, there's a setup with some magnets and bearings and whatnot. I think it's actually a pretty expensive setup. Not sure if it's something I actually need to spend the money on, but I may look into it. If you're interested in that sort of stuff, leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you balance your blades, and let me know if it's something you want to see more of, see a little investigation into. I can work on putting something together for that. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up. I certainly would appreciate it. And click that subscribe button if you haven't already. Be doing some more mower maintenance in the future. But yeah, basically sort of using this sharpening to wrap up my 100-hour service on the bad boy mower. Got another couple videos out there if you want to take a look at those on surfacing the engine, and then cleaning up, greasing up, and doing a spot check on some hardware for the 100-hour maintenance. So we're going to wrap it up here. I'm going to go enjoy the rest of my weekend. I hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend. And like always, I hope y'all have a good one. We'll catch you next time down here on the South Coast.